Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by learning where batteries spawn across the map and what drops them. Focus on dismantling mechanical enemies like patrol constructs and scanners when possible. Open named chests, ruins, and supply crates to increase your chance of finding batteries and power cells. Visit merchants and exchange salvaged parts at regional laboratories to purchase or craft batteries. Prioritize high-traffic zones and repeat routes, where machines respond faster to maintain a steady battery supply. Next, focus on crafting and recharging to maximize each battery you find. Gather salvaged parts, energy cells, and battery fragments from defeated machines and environmental caches. Use regional laboratories and crafting benches to combine fragments into full batteries and upgrade capacity when possible. Recharge depleted batteries at lab stations instead of discarding them to save resources. Keep one battery dedicated to experiments and another for field use to avoid running out during critical encounters. Finally, optimize how you use batteries to extend overall charges and survival time. Install any available capacity upgrades to increase the total charge each battery can hold when upgrades exist. Prioritize powering essential Zonai devices and tools rather than decorative builds to conserve charges for combat and traversal. Store spare batteries in your collection and rotate them so one remains fully charged for emergencies. Practice quick swaps and keep crafting materials handy to replace or recharge batteries mid-expedition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.